Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of famous Lebanese garlic sauce, which is Toum sauce. This is my favorite dip with nice garlic flavor. Let's see how to make this dip. In a blender, take 4 chopped garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, salt as needed, and 2 egg whites. Blend it nicely into a smooth paste. While blending, you would see the sauce is thickening and turning white color. Once it begins to thicken, add in half a cup of sunflower oil little by little and continue beating. You could see the sauce is thickening. You can prepare this dip in mixer grinder. Blend it in pulse mode and make sure not to over blend it. Toum sauce is ready now and look at the consistency, friends. You have to blend it until it reaches this texture. Delicious aromatic toum is ready now. I use this toum sauce while making shawarma. I'll share this recipe soon in my channel. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. Do try this Lebanese special toum sauce and share me the feedback. Toum sauce tastes best with tandoori chicken and pita bread. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.